Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will explain about explanation text. First, let us introduce ourselves. We are from 11 Science 1. My name is Faradila Putri Oktaviani. My absent number is 14.
My name is Viona Indah Sisilia Putri. My absent number is 35.
What is explanation text? Explanation text is a kind of text which more complex than instruction. It is usually used to explain process or sequence of activity. The meaning of a text is why or how. For example, why does the moon seem to change shape? Why do we pay tax? Why was there an earthquake in Haiti? How does a plane fly? How does a car engine work? How does a pigeon find its way home?
Social function of explanation text is to explain the process involved in natural and social phenomena, or to explain how something works. Generic structure of explanation text. First, general statement. It describes or identifies the phenomenon. Second, sequence of explanation. They tell how or why the feature or process changes, words should show cause and effect or time. Third, closing. This is optional. Closing is conclusion of the phenomenon. Language features of explanation text. 1. Focus on generic non-human participant. 2. The use of general and abstract nouns. 3. The use of action verb. 4. The use of simple present tense. 5. The use of passive voice. 6. The use of conjunction of time and cause. 7. The use of non-phrase. 8. The use of complex sentence. 9. The use of technical language.
Butterfly metamorphosis. Every creature has its own life cycle. Butterfly's life cycle is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is when a species changes body shape and structure in its life cycle. There are 4 steps in butterfly life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult butterfly. Butterfly metamorphosis caused by change of hormone inside the caterpillar's body. So the caterpillar changes in pupa or chrysalis, then changes into adult butterfly. Eggs are laid on plants by the adult female butterfly. These plants will become the food for the hatched caterpillar. Egg can be laid from spring, summer, or fall. Female butterfly lay a lot of eggs at once, so that at least some of them survive. Butterfly's egg can be very small. The next stage is larva, and also called a caterpillar. The job of the caterpillar is to eat, and eat. As the caterpillar grows, it spills its skin and sheds it about 4 or 5 times. Food eaten at this time is stored and used later as an adult. Caterpillar can grow to 100 times their change during this stage. When the caterpillar is full grown and stops eating, it becomes a pupa. Pupa is also called a chrysalis. Depending on the species, pupa may suspend under a branch, hidden in leaf, or buried underground. This stage can last from a few weeks, a month, or even longer. It may look like nothing is going on, but big changes are happening inside. Special cells that were present in the larva are now growing rapidly. They will become legs, wings, eyes, and other parts of the adult butterfly. Many of the original larva cells will provide energy for these growing adult cells. The last stage is an adult butterfly. They look so different from the larva. The larva has a few tiny eyes, stubby legs, and very short antennae. The adult have long legs, long antennae, and compound eyes. They can also fly by using their large and colorful wings.
Now we will analyze explanation text based on the structure. General statement. It is contained in the first paragraph. Sequence of explanation. It is contained in the second paragraph until last paragraph. This explanation text has no closing or conclusion.
Next, we will analyze explanation text based on the language feature. 1. Non-human participants is contained in the sentence. The last stage is an adult butterfly. So, example of non-human participant is butterfly. 2. General nouns is contained in the sentence. Egg can be laid from spring, summer, or fall. So, example of general noun is an egg. 3. Abstract nouns is contained in the sentence. Depending on the species, pupa may suspend under a branch. So, example of abstract nouns is depending. 4. Action verbs is contained in the sentence. The job of the caterpillar is to eat, and eat. So, example of action verbs is eat. 5. Simple present tense is contained in the sentence. Every creature has its own life cycle. 6. Passive voice is contained in the sentence. Eggs are laid on plants by the adult female butterfly. 7. Conjunction of time is contained in the sentence. Butterfly metamorphosis caused by change of hormone inside the caterpillar's body. So the caterpillar changes in pupa or chrysalis, then changes into adult butterfly. So example of conjunction of time is then. 8. Conjunction of cause is contained in the sentence. Female butterfly lay a lot of eggs at once, so that at least some of them survive. So, example of conjunction of cause is so that. 9. Noun phrase is contained in the sentence. The larva has a few teeny eyes. So, example of noun phrase is teeny eyes. 10th, complex sentence is contained in the sentence. When the caterpillar is full grown and stops eating, it becomes a pupa. 11. Technical language is contained in the sentence. Butterfly's life cycle is called metamorphosis. So, example of technical language is metamorphosis. That is all about explanation text. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.